Sounds of the Soul by Felix Little. Choir maestro Nerida Kirov has started a new initiative aimed to raise spirits, foster community connection and get people singing. Nillumbik Pub Sing has hit the ground running. Taking inspiration from the Canadian group Choir and the Brisbane Pub Choir, the Nillumbik Pub Sing is a new chapter in the Green Wedges music scene. Held on the last Wednesday of every month at the Eltham Cricket Club, the Pub Sing is a chance for the whole community to come together and maybe have a drink, while learning to sing popular songs from the 60s to the early 2000s. Those attending the February event got to sing Beds Are Burning by Midnight Oil. But this isn't just fancy pub karaoke. Nerida takes the group through multiple singings so everyone is warmed up and ready to sing their heart out for the final performance. Pub choir lasts around 3 hours and drinks are served at the bar throughout the evening. The practice and final sing are paced to suit all vocal abilities with breaks throughout. Nerida, who is more commonly known as the founder of the Chocolate Lilies Choir, says she aims to create a relaxed approach to singing by having the events as a one-off style, where everyone learns and performs a song in one night, with the next month bringing a new song.
There are so many benefits of singing and music,
Nerida said. She spoke to the Manningham Nillumbik Bulletin about an article called Neural Nostalgia: Why Does Music from Our Teen Years Make Us Happy?, published on marblewellness.com, which explores the brain's connection to music. She said the article discusses the release of dopamine in sections of the brain where we hear this music, which can create a strong emotional response, which helps with emotional regulation and social connectedness. These emotional states were quite visible at the February event. The Pub Sing has already shown itself to be very popular with large crowds in attendance at both events, many already considering themselves to be regulars.
We had around 100 people attend the first Pub Sing,
Nerida said. If you are intrigued, join Nerida and the Pub Choir at their March event on March 25, when they will be singing Rhiannon by Fleetwood Mac. Visit events.humanitics.com/Nillumbik-pub-sings-Fleetwood-Mac or search for Nillumbik Pub Choir on Facebook. This story was read by Rebecca Rose and Hazel Rice.